Sasisen pan kuble ye phi baro bat phidang ye pe ye ka kubor jong umau por habengin ya cha prang bat ka kubor hakani ka por tugin ye pe ikimat ke bakongsan jong ka kubor kumne ki samla NPP ban penkre election yo nongkit kam chumai ha is Jante Hills but is Khase Hills dakak jan ya UCM ban kundu ye kinong elam shnong bat jungo ye kijing itnat jong kishnong Bun kisnar ki belapet na ka Congress hau araja khat pra kataru ngidang jok palat arpungut ong uba PNCM syasiat ukpa jong ukertong ke NPP na Andro Manipur on ujor u National President sya MHA no more Bishnupur lum syat sngi perta ki rangba kuntup yo MLA hadian bala job rangba shnong kuba KB Nongbri teng ngi sya nyobeng halinti singking dawa ki betut department ban penbiang ya kelenti ya
mentakas ngi na kaliang jongi ngi layo ya kaban pendep ya kaban form ya ka matban scam ya ka full fledged committee jong ka East Khase Hills district jong ka NPYF tingi pan pau jing sukumen bang layo ya kani ka bodi ka bakong santam hapo jong kani ka jalan marhang ning idon hadu kumba ship hotli ki constituency tinggal yo ya kinokit kam nadu presiden rangkat bat ka tim hibar ka we presiden ni ba kraw soklet bat rangkat bat ngi menta iba kraw don hang ne te kum bangala ong phi ba ka thong ka jungi nadu basdang bangala simti kum presiden jongka NPYF jongka state ru kadai ka ban constitute ya ki district committee ki prepare hapo jong ka block ti hado mentangan itu ya pi bang layo ya kapan constitute ya ka Shillong City committee layo ya ban constitute ya ka East Khase Hills mentakas ni ka South West Khase Hills nang tarung layo menin ban constitute ya ka East Jante Hills district executive committee ti kinong kitkam ki bahakmat jong ka ni ka committee jongka neka East Jante Hills kidai upra hapo kajingalam presiden iba Grimlang dekhar kum presiden ti hangtung idon ya ki nongkit kam kijungi ki ba ngampua ban ong lut hangne ten reng yo iba Grimlang kum presiden nang tang yo General Stri iba Aibor Suklain nang ta idon ru iki member hangne ki babon ki ba ngampua ban ong lut Liyo ru yaki advisor ki jongi nadu I ma hopeful bamon I badai u MLA barim jongka saipung sutengah constituency nang tangidon yu ba arbor hima darnei UMDC badai advisor jongka yut hapo ka East Jantia nang ta idon yu ba ngamon bamon ru wei naki advisor ki jongi hakato ban kupar sutengah tikini kidai jongka East Jante Hills district te hangne hapo ka Shillong City ngidon iba mebon kum presiden ringkat bat kinong kitam kiba hapo jungu nang tam takasngi ya ka East Khase Hills kumni ba kraw bat ka tim kujung I barok ngoi tikani kadika jingthang ka jungi ban train nam ta ka party NPYF NPP lang ba ka NPYF bat ngangait balang ba kani ngin sanang la syu ya kaman pentelun ni ki kam jong ka parti te ka we pede bat ka ba kongsan ku mangalaong ba ka enrollment drive te ka enrollment drive ru kala nang yaj sat entah ka do jong ka offline bat online te hangni nga kerpat iki samla jong ka jalahi bar ka we ki ba don jing thmu ya kaban enroll ya de ha ka ni ka parti kin subhaban se kendo ya kini kinong kitkam ga jungi ki ba ngalak deu mentan ha ki district ba pher bat haki block level ru ya ba lengba jong kini committee jong ka district ki bangla form menta kin sayo ban tha ki block level bat kito ki ba lese ki ba kwa ban one direction ni sangiru ban yo jing sha shu halor ka jing trekam jong ka NPYF phila ban one mi hang ne ka po office ka ban hang ne po luar la shumer te kita ki katu kat ne ki jing trekam ki jongi kini ki katu kat singi ki ba hadin mangla simti ku presiden jong ka NPYF ngangit babaro ki pajba jong ka jala ngi yasakhi ya kane badang hakani ka session kabang suggestion kabang suggestion hapo ka hapo Lok Sabha ba Rajya Sabha ng UI baro ba u president jong ka parti jungi ba dairu MP jong ka Rajya Sabha ulak kren bahaya kan ni ka ban include ya ka tin kasih ka HDL jong ka constitution jong hari India Dr. W.R. Khanuki ba dai MP jong ka Rajya Sabha bat pitapej halok Sabha ru PUI ya ka madam ka tha ka ba dai ka MP na po ka tura ila kren bahaya kan ni bat ila banjur ba kumno ban yo ya ka ban penrungno ya ka kentin kasih ka kernit ka pra jong ka constitution jong hari India te ngayu i ba ya ka concern jong kinong ilam ke jongi nadu ki MP ke jongi baro angot kila kren bahaya kan ni ngatrai ladang makla UMP jongi na Shillong ba Vincent Pala tak ba buram ngaklem UI bo kren halor jong kini ki mat ki jura ki bakta ya ka jaj benreu ka ba ongno kum UMP ba ngila jet bo kren ya kan ka mat hapo jong Lok Sabha rai ki MP jongi baro angot kila kren jor berkelapan jor ya kan te kata ka ba ngakwa pan pau bangi kum ki samlar ngi suyo men sem bang UI ba kinong ilam jongi ki kren ya kini ki mat ki ba kum ka jat benreu bat kum ka jelahi ngila trang la khamslam kanom don kanu kajing yangi ban yakon ngi haban facebook yano noru tiga UDP ru kan dai ka wei ka ba ngin saya kendo ban ya le ha man ki constituency jong ka jela be ngayu i ka statement ba ka UDP ka ong ba lese kan yalam ya ka sarkar haus nem arjar fulai ngiru ngi ong bang ngiru ngin yalam ba ya ka sarkar ho arjar fulai ngila ban yo majority ru single majority ru kum ka parti ngayu iru ya ka statement ba ai na kaliang president jong ka HSPDP uba ong ba claim ki regional party ka NPP kan nomla ye ngarungan ong har ni juga por ba claim ka NPP ki regional party ru kinomla ban yang bat kinomla ru tawatang ban paro ngan ong har ni por te na takadaw ka NPP ka lalong ka balakloi ban ya kun ya ka election ha ni ka snemar pulai ban ya kendo berkino ki political party ha ki konstitusi ki baper kalalong ridi ban ya le ya ka ni ka election ka banwan pi habayade bat ki issue ki long pending issue kum border dispute kum ka ILP kum ka terminator kum ka ban include ya ka tin khasi hapo ka HDL jong ka constitution jong ka India kini ki long pending issue ki ba ongno kum ki nongsong snong jong ka jela ngila ya sakhi na ka por amla len ba ka UDP lan ka kongres ki ya trailang ha bon tli ki sarkar nga ba ngam kwa banjer ha kini ki hosnam tenrei khamla ya ka ban penurlong kat hadu ka ni level ka ba ka NPP ka ni ka sarkar MDA hapo ka jingyalam NPP kala le menta hanrei lada pikren yang asapang kajing yakam kimat yakam kinu ki political party kimat yakam tenrai kajing sha ki pajba kini ban sotho ya kane bat namar ba kanni ke sarkar MDA kadai hapo kajing yalam jong ka National People's Party ha ka leadership jong Isar Konrad ke sangma ringkat bat Isar Preston Tensong kum deputy chief minister mton bala ban len ya kane ta kajing yakam ka syong haki tenrai ngiru kum ka parti ka bayalam yang sarkar ngidon hok ban kam sispa badai naki jing start jong kinong ilam kicungi
Umentri rang ba ka jilla ukon rat ke sangma hakas ni thoding ulalik banjengo ya katu ka ni teli kisnong ke badon saudong ka sor Shillong bagentup nadu ka Maukar ka Jayau ka Sunny Hills ka Mauprem badru bania kendu markmat ya ki rang ba shnong hakate gejing ya kendo umentri rang ba nolo bawlayero ya kejing pen itenat ya kisnong ki tau da ki rong baharukom kum shibenta ka jingra ke sanpos nem ke jela ulai ko bleiru markmat ya ki na ka benta ka jinga don bentalang bat ke sarkar hakil yang baro khamtam ha ka jinga kon ya ka klam covid khat kendai hakine gisngi umentri rangba rangkat ka jinga senran lang umentri ka tanat urban affair uba snyau balang dhar kilale ru banhier shaki benta bakendong jong ki tegi shnong ban saki markmat ya kate ke jingpen itnat ya ki shnong ki thau da ki jing drodor ki bahar rukam nalor ki rang ba shnong laidon lang ru ha ke ne gisngi nadu ki nong me ikmat kentup ya ba Adelbert Nongrum MLA ke North Shillong bat ru ba Mahendru Rapsang MLA ke Shillong West menteri rang ba ula penlut porro ban yeslok bat ki rang ba shnong halor ki babon ki phang ki biadei na ka benta ka shnong ka thau bat ka bha ka miat
much for your support and your participation. That means a lot to all of us, and we want to assure you that we will continue this relationship with you and continue this kind of programs in the future also. Because we've realized that the community and the government, we need to work hand in hand in difficult times also and in good times also. So you've been always very supportive during COVID, and it is because of your support and participation that we were able to manage things the way we managed. So I want to thank you also for that and assure you that in the future also we'll continue giving us support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Like
This map also we have just put, sir. This map we have just
thing for our city, and therefore I take this opportunity to thank each and every Darbar and all the Rangbashnongs and the leaders who have really participated and made this program a success. And we want to assure everybody that we will continue to have this program in the future also, and find ways and means on how the localities, the community and the government can work together for the betterment of society and our towns, our cities and the state. Thank you very much. As you can see, the different artists have come out and shown their talent during this beautification program. So the competition is also there among the localities. So we will have the best locality prize. But apart from that, we've also realized that there are many artists who have done really well. So we have decided that we will also have a best artist competition also, and we will choose among the different the paintings and drawings that have been done to decide on who will be the best artist. So yes, this has also been a great experience and a great way of allowing the talent of our youth also to be shown to the city and to the people in general. Thank you.
Kalau nggak diisi kan kata asibun, kajing ni mi iba George, jong iba Charles Pongro, Dr. Mukul, ti along mo kajing kersan jong ini lek segi da kimi no sakini kan kata ai ka parti, tende ngamut ban ong pat de ba ka parti kan nom don su kajing kermen nak menta ban job bon number hakan ka election. Namang ai duk saya fi la iya ka NPP haka 2013 ki don tang armut ki embelis. Menta ki don kumba 20 plus. Di nakaliang jong yung dalan program nama Kongres Parti kalau di paga parti ka ba long well organized hapo ki ha pai ba. Ti ko barong mentang apa ngatai pitip ha. Kinong ile jong ibaroni nang tinapo belim himnong ino mabong bahi is good fight. Even try bahek bangar is a good fight. Yimong manu ban job manu ban rem. Di nang ta ba SDR lang do nang good fight. Tapi yung ba Charles Mangan nang very good fight. Di Kongres Parti kan don higi kandidat ki babyang tengin nom laban ong ba kan dua way i bon ki kandidat ki yugi. Kata kam laban long, tapi yung ka Kongres kan ma ban yo bun sit ya. Mara ka jingi junga ki parti ki ban khamdon ki MLA sa kan next election. No doubt ka NPP, pinam ka UDP. Who else? Par Kongres sit ya. Ka tiam sit hang ne kasi jentia kan nomrung. Dia kalau pemana gerils kan, lihat sih lai sausip sunset. Kan osi det. Nah, kapopuni ketika UDP, Kongres, NPP, simple. He should not underestimate the Congress Party. I think I remember during the exit of Basnyo Balang Dahar, along with me. I think you remember during that time, I ran away from Congress. I contest from PDF, Bob Preston, and many other very senior Congress Party workers. But still, we win 20 plus. So now minus Dr. Mukul and minus other senior political party leader of the party, I think we have no problem. It is up to us how we strategize during this election, because we have a very good support in the grassroots with a very strong organization. So when we have a good aspirant, good quality candidate, then we have no problem to win. At the same time, as of now, the people, they are very clear. They are not happy with the performance of the MDA government in many issues. So I will not say on a very specific issue, but people knows better. So I think people of the state, they want to see the alternative government. Alternative means Congress should be at least give a good support from the peoples so that we can form the alternative governments.
Thoroughly enough to do that.
Sometime.
Before 3 4 weeks.
Decent memang
Dia ni yang like carry free. We want to declare the certificate because after we are going here.
The incidents that happened last night in Andhra constituency, in the house of the candidate, is very, very unfortunate. And this is just simply reflecting frustration of certain individuals, and they know the overall political situation. So this is not acceptable at all, the kind of actions these people are taking. And we in politics and democracy have always believed in casting expressions through our speeches and our votes, but this kind of behavior and this kind of an action is completely unacceptable. We'll be meeting the Chief Electoral Officer today at 3:30. I have already called him up in the morning and expressed our deep concern on the kind of current situation that's prevailing in this elections, which as far as I remember, this is my 5th election in Manipur. I've been campaigning from 2002, but I have not seen this kind of extreme violence that's taking place almost in every constituency. So this has to stop. The Government of India also, the forces out here also, as well as the Election Commission has to take cognizance of this and take necessary action so that free and fair election can take place. So we will ensure that we take this up at the highest level, including MHA as well as the Chief Election Commissioner of India, and we will ensure that this matter is taken up and necessary actions taken against those people who have done this kind of action, which is, as I said, completely unacceptable.
Terima kasih hadirin pengilayu yang jujur. Iba kersoy bok nong beri. Ale ba Jerry. Ba Jerry simle lah. De ngipen pong yang kena nagali yang gajongi ga sinong. Bat kumunong song sinong jangan ga sinong ngipen kup don borom. Ya iba kersoy bok nong beri. Bola sajid bala job yang kena election rong ba sinong jangan dor sinong pisu. Boleh jeng ding start mengai bori be nyelam ya ga sinong nakababaha tsaka bakamba. Barisyat sama kalong
Ya orang ba senang, irang ba kersoy bok nong beri. Ngapun kop gini ba in karingi in kadaw. Banla banyalam nanti yang ini ban kit ke kamu orang ba jong kani ke senang kata kim lang sa lang bat jong ka riti duster. Dah kata ngapun kop ya gani dah kijing ku boleh cek na nombo nong ta.
orang basno semai. Ba jadi nang beri. Nomor 60. Long shot kami. Hey,
Kibru kibadan jingthut hai kidukhat met akasing thoding kilami pajba hakandai lat shilong ban penlong ka jing soi pajba ka jingthmu jong kana ka jing soi pajba kalong ban ai ka hok lai lut badawai ka sarkar ban penbiang kilinti yaj na ka banta kibru kibadan jingthut hai kidukhat met khamtam hanong ba shilong ba kantup nadu haki office sarkar kiyo kihat kilinti sengkin bat kiwi
Keteng dengar dari nari sokharwat tu ban penpang kating banga mak kating ya nanti jonga na kating jonga kadai tang hakang tiat ba mamla ban kian na siliang dai kating sem jonga te bun kibriyo ki bala ban yarap bat ki ba kloi ban yarap na ka jonga rei na wala ka taru ngadang kerpat susu hantam ya ke sarkar bakan ai susu ke dingirap kaba khambahan na kabenta jonga bangala kumno bangan le khamha susu hakung tiat bangala banyat ha ketelinti kiba bun kum kipat ba kum ti kali kibala ban pinwit hakung tiat ki jonga te ngamda bangam dalit jenis style lang bangam ni school bangam let sono ngadan latang hayang tang rei ngabah sumi tang kumne ha kiting.com ke don tang kene hi kiting ke ba ngamat nomor buan hi ha kiting sem jonga brio ki buan ki kloy ban yarap nang benta jonga ha liang ban kiari ka kali ban let na siliang rei tang kumta hi ke sarkar kan ai susu kiting yarap na benta jonga ha khamtam ngadon kam ni kan ke kali wheelchair ke ba kham kertang na benta jonga ba kan khamsuk hagalai kawan hakil khamtam kilinti benta ki dangbuan ki bakti ki ba buan hakilti ki jongi te ngimpat buan ki futbat banginya mangi te kan benta hinga ngo ba ka sarkar kan ai kata kadingarap na bayangi ki bayar wheelchair bagan ai kata kalat at least ban sinaka jaka mga kabanta ka wheelchair ban bangirungin sup ken ban yat hindi ban ninyat hapadeng ka surak kabajingjar kala ban nyangi bakan jai ke hakoy kasi ngimkwa ban nginlong kumta wheelchair kasyam jinjar namar ba kibun ki kali bakimlay ban tang ban pake ka wheelchair tang badap daki kali sudah Hendengi habda daya rungi habya dak hapa surau hapadeng surau baik bat kasyam jinjar yangi kibam laban ya namar kala ban accident yangi hakono kaparu hendre bunpat ki kali pada kim jupet re kiaya la kaya baik kumto bat kim dan kata kajin kaburam kindiat ru an kawai pala dang shubung akwa ban le chayawi ay kumto ha nga shele chayaw ya kataru di barabor tengkat di shele tambam kasyan kata kajing nomor ba hapoyo ile khamtam le kamdan ni datang kata kajaka ban kiu ne ban hiar ha ki steps teladang akwa ban hiar tang shikham alkham ro kamdan le kata kajaka nomor baka keti palat ban kamdan hira kata kalinti ru ban bo ya ka wheelchair Napadan kam da ka wheelchair monitorizer kadika electric wheelchair wala kata ngadon ya kata kabala kam sughir bamdan kam da ban penyai bah ki keti ki gijah ni shushang shule betang da kini ki simpriahi katar kasyam jinja namar bamdan da jaga ban pak hayauru habiyaj lengba bat kasyam jinja haru kata ang ngunang batai re
kipat ba bat kunju ban prisno saki bor bahalor saka sarkar ya ka ke jimban kam joni kibri kibran jiduna kan met la kalong hakal ya kayang la kalong hayo hap la kalong haki office sarkar lani hakan no panu ka banta ka bakibri kibran jiduna kan met ki juya kendukam haka jinga dan ti jogi man lagasi te hakini kendiat ngan sipun syai hakini kijia ganti jong kibri kibra juduna do khatmet apo ka jalan khalaya sipun nila ya keren bat ka sarkar na kabenta bakin priyo ya ka hok bakin priyo ya ka jinglai lut na kabenta ka jingdon kam henrei habang ipet hadu kali kapor nidang yai ba kada kampat da biang pura hadu kata-kata katum belabu da kanika Right of Person with Disabilities Act Hajar Handrio kendiat katum kajing temu jong kanika Act laong ba suwa jong upanai jun menta kaslem ba ki office sarkar ki yo ki building ki jaga pajba ki bedai bat kano ka kam bedai bat pajba hak basna ye ki yeng ki dei bandam galentia ke ban pensuk ye ki beri ki ban juduna har ki dukhatnet lada kamdam tum kata kamut katu ka yeng lani katu ka office lani katu ka jingsna kamin yo satya ban pendan kam habian habut andal ada senaya ka kata ka de jing temu jong kani ka ak henrei habang ipet hadu kani ka puar niyo iba kumbala batay ba dinan menni katum jing syam jong kibri juduna ada khatmet midang syam tang kendiat baka sarkar ka lale anak benta kaya kayen jong kibri juduna ada khatmet
ya sikitwa banne yong lehat henrika juna kacan siki bikin yo ekakali kabakila ban syang kabakila ban gem kabakila ban yeng namar ka taksi lani ka bos kala hilatang man syang henrika ni kalong ka jingker par ka berek ka bangipan na ka sarkar bakan ajing erap ye kibre ki baduna ka bormet borpad nang ba kindon kitaki reservations nak benta ki pajba ki badan jinduna ke bormet borphat jongki kum menta ringi pajja ka tring lane ya ka bus kano kanong ka jinbha kano kanong ka jingkemen nak benta ki beri ki basyam ne ka jing kum menta ki dan ki beri ki banyai ki ni motorcycles lara pi kani ka scooty ahmad jonga kani ka bakadau manga kani kalong ka scooty ka bayarok ya ki beri ka badan jinduna ha ka kejap menta nga karpad ye kipat babaroru bakin om pejben kinom kudokti kinom wat jingkli kinom kudokti namar kani kalongtang kai ke bala ban yarap ye kitu ki brio ki bamla banya iki motorbike kumbanya ki brio ki babha ki bakat bakya
je kumtung ila poisha ka bukut jong ka top kubor sa chisen pat kublai shibon yu phi baro tan hadu bangini shembiang kublai shibon